Hello viewers, in this video I will explain few important environment days. The video is presented by Prime Public Charitable Trust. Actually, our trust main aim is to develop a awareness for rural people. Actually, Prime is the acronym for People Rural Initiative for Mass Empowerment. We know village is the backbone of India, so we should focus on developing the rural area. So in this video I will explain about environment days. In this video I will explain all the environment days based on the monthly chronological order. First, February 2nd, World Wetland Day. In this day, students may call for discussion on what is wetland and importance of wetlands, Ramsar Convention, managing wetlands and biodiversity in wetland. This is the main topic students can discuss. Even the environmental engineer and those who are interested in protecting that environment people, they can take participation to make awareness among the people and as well as among the industry as well as among the company. Source: actually I took this information from CES Odisha. The next is very important day, 21st March, World Forestry Day. We know nowadays the area of forest is decreasing because of increase in population around the world. Because of reducing the forestry area, we are facing so many environmental issues and problems. So we need to sustain our life, so we have to plant more and save wildlife. Okay, for this corresponding day we can do activities such as planting of trees, highlighting the urgency to increase the green cover. That means they are telling we should increase the forest area by planting more trees. Okay, we will see the next important day, that is Earth Day. We know all the people living in the earth, so we know how important earth is for our life. So for this day we can take activities for students, including games, art projects about earth, crafts and other Earth Day activities. They can find important about Earth Day informations, activities and events to remind them of the importance of green living and sustainable lifestyles. Here also they are clearly mentioning planting of trees. That means we have to plant the trees for green living and sustainable lifestyles. Next, it is a very important day, June 5th, World Environment Day. Actually, due to the pollution, like industry pollution or automobile pollution or nuclear pollution, the environment is changing day by day. We need to protect the environment for our future generation, so we have to do something for environment. You can individual actions, you can take a simple action which will useful for our protection of environment. Okay, next, this is a very important day, nobody talking about this one, so simply I will explain about this one. 17th June, World Day to combat desertification and drought. For this corresponding day, we can discuss on drought and desertification, its implication on society, and ways to minimize the problem among the students. Then I will move to the next. We know how important ocean layer is for our life. It is a layer which is protect the direct impact of sun rays to the earth. So for this corresponding day, we can do or we can share the information about atmosphere, ozone. CFC is nothing but chlorofluorocarbon, which is mainly used in refrigerators for cooling purposes, and acid rain among students. They can took participation in any competitions like essay or painting or awareness program, or they can make a simple kit kind of stuff to explain that ozone layer problem to the people. They can go for awareness campaign and eco-friendly products. 4th October, Animal Welfare Day. We can see around us lot of animal is there, so we have to protect the animals to create the environment efficiently, to create the environment very sustain for future generation. We can discuss on importance of animals, activities like giving unused foods to animals, put a bin of water in a campus. Suppose if you are living in a big campus, due to some water scarcity, the bird may die also, so you can put a bin of water in the campus so birds can drink the water. Make artificial nest in trees. Just we can make artificial nest in the trees for the animals. Then you can do multiple activities to protect the animal and to give the food or source to living for the animal. So next is the 2nd December, National Pollution Prevention Day. Nowadays, pollution in the city is increasing day by day because of the population is increasing. So we need to prevent the pollution. On this corresponding day, 2nd December, we can share or we can make a awareness program about types of pollution, about reduction, how we are going to reduce, and what are the laws is there for preventing the pollution or reducing the pollution. Example, if you are using motorbike, it should be NOx and all, it should be less than certain level. So that is the laws which is made by the government. Local issues and finding solution from students. Promote eco-friendly particles like ban of polythene. So please avoid usage of polythene. Example, if you are buying 4 to 5 things for your home, they are giving 5 polythene cover, means just use 1 polythene cover for all the 5. Use of cycle. Previously I told about the pollution which is coming from the automobiles. That's why they are telling use of cycle or by walk, plantation, water conservation practices. So for reducing the pollution or preventing the pollution, we need to do some activities in the world. Another is 14th December, National Energy Conservation Day. In this in India, still lot of villages don't have electricity to light, to access the light. So we need to use the less energy for our consumption. This, it should be initiated from the school students. They only can make awareness, or school students or college students, they can make awareness program to the village or to the office or to the city or in the school itself. So to aware people about the importance of energy as well as saving or conserving the more energy by using less energy. That's why nowadays lot of technology is there for reducing the energy. Example, past years we used different kind of lights. Nowadays we are using CFL bulb, which is consuming less energy with good output. That means that brightness and all. Similarly, nowadays if you are using AC, means they are giving energy saving AC. So while buying the any electrical items, just check the brochures properly and how much energy is needed for the lifelong running, etc., to reduce the energy. To exact means of energy conservation is using less energy by avoiding the unnecessary uses of energy. So I am requesting you to all the people, please switch off the lights and fans when it is not needed. So this is my humble request to all the people, those who are using excess power and for their uses, just try to reduce at least some percentage. Example, if you are reducing 1% of your one day, means it will be very useful for future as well as some other people, those who not able to access the energy. Thanks for watching this video. I will make an important video for next. Thanks for watching.